What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, Monday is in the books. You guys by now know that Monday sets the tone for the week, okay? And listen, man, I couldn't be more proud of you guys. We're going to talk all about it today. But listen, before we dive into it, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, check this out, guys. Out the gate, I wanted to love on you guys. We're going to unpack Tesla today. I'm going to bring out the charts momentarily. I'm going to teach you how to fish. So I want you guys to begin pattern recognition. Write this down. Today is about pattern recognition. I want you guys to start playing out in your head what moves might be next. Write this down. If this, then that. That's how I want you guys to start processing this. But check this one out, guys. Tesla, a 170 call, one contract we had on this one. Look at today's return was another 400%. Y'all making me so proud, man. But the overall total return was a 2x, nearly a 3x. Okay, $1,400 in a day. Okay, and this wasn't even a full day. Major salute, man. Check this one out. Carl, if you see this, he said, "Hey coach, I bought a Tesla car when it hit support on Friday and was long for the rocket ship ride today. Thanks again for your guidance and daily lessons." You already know, Carl, I couldn't be more proud of you, buddy. Check this one out, guys. One contract, 400%, $1,500 if we calling it a spade. Okay, again, guys, I'm watching you guys. This is how I know you guys are learning. I'm the first person to try to tell you it don't take all day. That's number one. Number two, we can do way more. I'm being humble when I say this stock can double. This is a 4x. This is a 4x. Before screenshot was nearly a 3x. Okay, check out Tamitha. Okay, she absolutely knocked it out the park. Guys, across the board, and I got so many messages today. Okay, again, guys, I'm very, very pleased. This is how you set the dang on tone to start the week. Okay, I want you guys to get ready to do it all again tomorrow, because we're gonna again continue to knock it out the park. When you set your day and your week off on the right note, that momentum carries into the next day and the rest of the week. But you got to remember to again see profit, take profits. Okay, don't get greedy, don't overstay your welcome. Okay, these plays, although they ran up, they will come back down. Not for you to lose your gains, it's for you to rinse and repeat. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Okay, check this out, guys. So this is the 15-minute time frame on Tesla. Okay, it closed at 194, up 15% on the day, or the equivalent of $25. Right now, and after hours, we're sitting at 193. Take a look at this, guys. I want you, this is me teaching you how to fish today. I'm not going to put the lines on here. I want you to see them for yourself. Okay, I want you to know that, look, find 200. Okay, find the $200 mark on the chart. Write this down. That is resistance. That's resistance for tomorrow and Wednesday. Okay, that's our top level. Okay, I want you guys to identify. You got to always spot out 3 levels of support. Okay, number 1 will be 191. Let me know, do you guys see that? Okay, write this down. Okay, let me know, do you see the gap that it left when it bounced up today? That's another key indicator you want to make sure you identify. Let me know, do you guys see 184.36? I want you guys to write that down as another level of support. And then the final destination of support. This is like if Jerome Powell crashes the market on Wednesday, I want you to look for that 167 level. That will also be closing the gap down there. Okay, now listen, guys, strategically, this is how you want to come in with an idea of where your plays can go to the upside as well as the downside. Okay, what you want to understand is we're going up, but if it pulls back, you need to know, where is it pulling back to. You need to know, when do you buy puts versus when do you buy calls on a pullback. Okay, when structure is broken, you need to know the difference. Okay, gaps, let's go over gaps real quick. Write this down, guys. Small gaps, like if something was $170 and it gapped up to $170.80, those gaps get filled right away. Matter of fact, write this down. They get filled in the first 5 minutes of market open when they are that small. Okay, so small gaps get filled, but you see the gap we got on Tesla, that's a $20 type of gap, okay? A $10 type of gap. That one takes a little bit more time. You see how today it held up at VWAP? The 13 held it up as well as VWAP, okay? That's the red line. All right, and so it hasn't even breached that and below yet. So again, the trend is your friend. The trend still safe for right now. We're going to go sideways into the upside. So that's what you do until they show you otherwise, okay? We in our bag today. I'm cooking. I'm teaching you how to fish, okay? Because I'm going to come back and I can draw all of this out and to a T show you how this is going to play out tomorrow. But I want you guys to begin to visualize it. So check this out. Upside price target for tomorrow. I want you guys to be looking for 195, 196, 198. Okay, write those three levels down. You want to see those levels get recaptured tomorrow, because only if we capture those, it opens the door for 200. What is 200? What was the first thing we said 200 was? That is the resistance. Okay, that's the upside target that we're looking to go to. It can go way past that, but I like to teach you guys the game in levels, okay? This 205 would be next if it broke through 200 and 215, 207, okay? But I don't want you guys shooting for that, because you got work to do at these levels. 195, remember, 196, 198. We got work to do there, okay? So again, and then we have other catalysts that's outside of our control. So if Jerome Powell speaks on Wednesday, and say the market doesn't agree with what he shares, then all of a sudden, guys, you run the risk of seeing everything reverse. Okay, the overall market is already creeping up on the 50-day moving average, and so that's something you want to be mindful of. Okay, and real quick, just to talk about SoFi, just to throw them in there. They reported earnings today, and by all accounts did pretty decent. They did fairly well. However, the guidance, they had poor guidance. Go look up for your homework assignment today, guys. What does guidance mean? In a nutshell, it just means future projections. So they're saying this time in 3 months when we report, or this time next year, we see us not doing as well, or we see our revenue not being what we thought it would be, okay, due to these reasons, due to X factors that's going on in the world or in the economy, okay? Think about these things, guys, and understand that guidance is sometimes the thing that's heavily weighted on Wall Street. You can have good earnings, but if you give poor guidance, meaning you have a poor outlook for the future, they'll penalize your stock. So again, they'll eventually shake that off. But what you need to do is look for the potential buying opportunity in that. Okay, now it did run up around $8 at one point. Okay, now they showed you the level that it want to go to. That's called running a test. Write that down, running a test. But now that it's back down in the 7s, possibly the 6s, when it moves again, you know one of your exit target is the $8 range. Now, once the dust settle and once we get out of this sentiment we're in, because they did have good earnings, because the fundamentals is good, the stock will eventually get its just due. But for right now, it's still relatively volatile, okay? So I just want to put that on you guys, man. Other than that, phenomenal job today to start the week off, okay? And I want us to build on that. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Also, guys, remember to trade with a plan, okay? Don't get greedy on me. Plays will go up. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about when they are up there, are you doing the right thing? Are you either moving your stop loss up, taking profits, or having an exit plan, okay? Because Tesla was up to 198 today, headed to 200. It looked like at one point in time, okay? Great place to take profit, well above our 195 profit taking zone. Okay, now you up another $3 on top of where we took it to. Okay, then it came all the way back down to 191. Don't let those kind of things trip you up, okay? That's what this is all about. Today was all about showing you and teaching you how to fish, guys. Look at the chart, watch this video 2 times if you need to, and play out in your head what you anticipate Tesla will do tomorrow based on technicals, not nothing else but what the charts say, okay? Remember, the money is in the chart. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.